It has been amazing to be part of the UIC program, since none of us from Metanova in the beginning had any hands-on experience with what it means to start up a company and keep on running a company. And through this program, we have gained knowledge within several areas with guidance of do's and don'ts to, in the end, have a higher chance of succeeding.
UIC has helped me a lot in this process. The main benefits to me has been the structure and accountability of working with other people who have the same interests and are on the same journey.
UIC har gett oss jättemånga bra perspektiv och tvingat oss lite att utveckla även delar i vår affärsplan som har varit lite svaga. Det känns som att vi har byggt upp en mycket bättre grundfysik för hela bolaget som kommer vara viktigt för utvecklingen framåt.
During our journey, UIC has helped us to stay focused on our business development. We got a bigger network and actually some great help from the advisors, for example, to validate our IP strategy.
Vad har då UIC betytt för oss? Det har hjälpt oss att bygga ett framgångsrikt företag och gjort oss redo att attrahera investerare.
At UIC I met a lot of other brilliant and extremely committed and inspiring entrepreneurs. And I got some tools, very precise tools to solve the problem in the beginning and to switch from plan A to plan that works.
Vi har nu arbetat med UIC under ett halvårs tid. Vi har fått jättemycket coaching, vi har fått jättemycket stöd, vi har lyssnat på enormt mycket intressanta föreläsningar. Vi har plockat jättemycket bra delar som vi har kunnat ta med i utvecklandet och också accelerera utvecklingen i vårt bolag. Så vi är supernöjda att vi har fått vara här och vara med på den resan.
UIC has offered me a highly insight or a reflection on what customers that I should focus on.
Meant for me, thanks to UIC, I got a lot of perspective, feedback, a lot of structure. I think it's good to have a test ground, and there's not many chances that you have with investors or in general to do something well, and it's good to have this kind of support there. And I mean, they even helped me pay for this T-shirt, so I appreciate it. And they're definitely one of the best innovation incubators I have experienced. So good job.
We were very happy when we got accepted at the UIC startup program. It gave us confidence to develop our idea, and it's fantastic that such a program exists that promote startups to develop their idea and let it grow so that it can have an impact on the life of many people. It's also helping us to reduce the risks of failure by education, coaching, and sharing their network with us.
UIC has been tremendously help us to give a very inside business knowledge from bit by bit to help us to growing from just idea to a full-fledged company. So I'm very grateful for UIC.
Vi har deltagit i UICs affärsutvecklingsprogram, vilket har gett oss en möjlighet att vässa vårt affärstänk. Och vi har också fått möjlighet att nätverka med andra bolag i liknande situation, vilket har varit väldigt intressant och kul.
So in UIC, first off, we actually found our first partner and client, that is Cyfree, another startup in the program. And then they helped us develop the business from a need point of view. So what's actually the problem we're solving? And that's what we were able to communicate to our first clients and customers.
Through UIC, we have received a lot of guidance in all business plan related areas and also business structural advice from invited lecturers and experts. It's been a great value for us.
For my business development, UIC has significantly contributed to the development of my idea, since they continuously challenged my visions and my thinking process. But also they enabled the exchange with various other interesting stakeholders and other visions.
So when I first learned about brain organoid technology, I immediately felt that this is great opportunity and it's gonna be a revolution both in research and in pharma industry. But I didn't know exactly how to start and what steps should I take first. So when I came to UIC,
I got help with finding customers, evaluating their real needs, and also I got help from companies who are associated with UIC with patent and IP landscape for our invention, and administration like budget and bookkeeping.
UIC har betytt enormt mycket för oss, framförallt genom det här programmet Bild som har varit extremt värdefullt med alla mycket viktiga och intressanta föredrag som vi har gått igenom och som vi har tagit del av. Men också genom olika hjälpverksamheter som UIC har erbjudit. Och det har fått oss att på något sätt transformeras från att vara renodlade forskare till en kombination av forskare och affärstänkare.
UIC have helped me a lot during the commercializing journey of this linker diagnostics, and without UIC I would spend a lot of time on this. Otherwise you can just take the course.
UIC har betytt att jag tydligare kan kommunicera idén och vet hur jag kan ta den från idé till verklighet.
UIC has introduced me to the concept of lean startup and supported me on my way to mitigating the market risks in the beginning of the business development. In addition, it has been really valuable to have the UIC partners and contacts network.
I think the great thing is that UIC gave us a plan, because in the beginning we had so many ideas that we wanted to focus on, and this plan really it guided us through this process and made sure that we do one step after the other.
So when we think about the UIC is kind of super supportive organization, especially for early startup, also for people have want to bring the idea in commercial market.
UIC has brought many new ideas and advice on how to start with business development in an easy but systematic way. They have also supported my business development with personalized advice.
To be a part of the UIC family and to get coaching from their experienced business developers has really helped us in building our business. And the lean startup methodology is a great way to work, and it has helped us to focus on the customer's needs, and from those needs create and build our solution. And it's also been very inspiring to work with other entrepreneurs and learn from them.
UIC has helped us by showing us the tools and the strategies to not only make a sustainable business but an impactful business.
UIC har gett oss nödvändiga verktyg så att vi kan ta våran produkt från att vara en innovation till att bli ett faktiskt företag.